Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Wednesday, the 17th of November 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets, economics and the world of business today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 finished down 0.7% today to 7,370 points, led lower by the banks. Well, more specifically, led lower by the Commonwealth Bank. The country's biggest company said it had made a cash profit of $2.2 billion during the September quarter, but interest margins were being squeezed. Banking is a very competitive world at the moment, and the Commonwealth Bank is feeling the pinch. That news triggered an 8.1% drop in its share price, which for a major company is a very, very severe sell-off. The other major banks were also dragged lower. ANZ closed down 2%, Westpac ended 1.7% lower, and National Australia Bank finished down 1.1%. The big miners also lost ground, with Fortescue Metals falling by nearly 2%, while BHP was 1.5% lower. Rio was off 1%. Gold miner Newcrest Mining fell by more than 2% as the price of the precious metal fell back. When you have the big banks and the big miners falling, the market almost always does the same. But if you take them out of the market, it was actually a pretty decent day today, led by the tech stocks and utility companies. WiseTech Global rose more than 3%, Afterpay jumped 2%, Xero was up 1.4%, and REA Group and Telstra both rose by 1%. The worst performer on the bourse today, among the top 200 at least, was Nufarm. Its share price ended 8.6% lower after reporting a strong full-year result, with revenue up 10% and pre-tax profits up 50%, but the company highlighted the growing costs of raw materials as a concern. Unity Group was the best of the top 200, closing up more than 8%. In economic news, the Bureau of Statistics said wages were up 0.6% during the September quarter, higher than the 0.4% the previous quarter, in taking the annual rate to 2.2%. It shows that wages are rising, but not at a pace that's likely to trouble the Reserve Bank of Australia. The central bank has made it abundantly clear it's focused on wages growth before it's going to do too much about inflation. The wages data hit the Aussie dollar because it means there's less chance of an interest rate next year or in 2023. The dollar fell and is trading around 72.6 US cents. That's a 5-week low. Just recapping Wall Street, all the major indices closed higher this morning, led by the tech-heavy Nasdaq. That's it for the afternoon market report for Wednesday, the 17th of November, 2021. Join Michael Thompson and I tomorrow morning for the Thursday edition of Fear and Greed. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.